In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam game patching games for too long. If your updates seem stuck on patching or crawl at a snail's pace, we're going to walk through clear, reliable fixes you can try right now. First, fully close Steam and restart it from a clean slate. Open Task Manager using Ctrl-Alt-Delete. And select Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, find anything related to Steam, select it and click End Task. This clears out any hung background processes that can silently stall patching. Once everything Steam-related is closed, reopen Steam and check your update again. Next, clear Steam's download cache. In Steam, go to the top left menu, choose Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can become corrupted and slow down patching. Steam may ask you to sign in again afterward, which is normal. Once you are back in, try the update to see if speeds improve. If it's still slow, verify the integrity of the game's files. In your library, right? Click the game, choose Properties. Go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare what's on your drive with what should be there, and re-download or repair only what's necessary. This is especially effective if a previous update was interrupted, or if files became corrupted. And it can prevent endless patch loops. It's also smart to check whether your storage is the bottleneck. Open Task Manager again and switch to the Performance tab. Look at your disk usage, particularly if you are on an HDD. If it's pegged at 100%, the drive is working as hard as it can and patching will appear slow or stuck while it writes lots of small files. In that case, give it time to finish. Once the disk usage settles, patching should speed up. Sometimes the issue is network congestion. In Steam, go back to Settings. Open Downloads and change your download region to a nearby alternative. This can route your traffic to a less busy server and immediately improve patch performance. Finally, temporarily disable your security software and test the patch again. Real-time scanning can examine every file as it's written, which adds substantial overhead during patching. Turn it off briefly, try the update. And then turn it back on as soon as you are done to keep your system protected. These steps target the most common causes: stuck processes, corrupted cache, damaged game files, storage bottlenecks, congested servers, and aggressive scanning. Try them in this order and you should see your patching times return to normal. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.